Okay, so we're gonna be filming this all the way down, and we just came directly from that one down there a minute ago.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha,
Go check out the road.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So we're gonna start out this video right here, Fabrico de Panchios. So I just want to take a look in here. I think this used to be a firecracker factory. So so this video we're gonna start in this particular one. And yeah, Macau was known for two things in the past. One was firecrackers, and the other was oysters. So let's just run back over here. You can check out how they clean things. So I believe if you read Chinese, just let me know what this says, but I believe it's related to a previous firecracker factory, and this would have been some of the original stuff that was in Taipa a long time ago. And so usually it was oysters and firecrackers, and that was what Taipa was known for, and probably Macau as well at different points in history. But the factories were out here, and the oysters would have been out here too in this particular island. If you're not sure what that means, you know, pull out a map and take a look at Taipa, and you'll see Taipa is a part of Macau, but it's basically the island south of the Macau peninsula part. So yeah, let me show you. So this is all Taipa right here. This is this. If you watch my other video, I was kind of talking about this hill. This is that hill, and we're basically walking. I guess we're basically walking alongside of it, I believe. We're walking somewhere. Here we are, right there. So we're just basically walking right next to it. So that hill would be pretty massive, all up on that side. And then this is Taipa village, and then this is kind of all the Taipa proper. So we're basically walking in that direction. Let me just get you some of the signs. Ferna, Mendes, Pinto. Just recently ordered a book about this particular person in history. I think that they were, I'll have to read the book first. I don't want to say anything that's wrong. And this one, you can start going up into that little bit. Hua do Supico. So basically, that big giant mountain is over on that side, and there's some other pretty cool stuff before you get over there as well. And actually, you could walk that way and then get up on the hill over there too. Let's see what's over here. Huh. Oh, there's another entrance over there, so it's like basically just put a bunch of junk in it. Okay. All right, so let's just keep on exploring. So we got our beautiful banyan trees. We have this little thing that we just jumped into to see what it was. Then got these giant, I call them banyan trees, but I guess there's a different name for them. And then this one has a gate that's rusted. Oh, there's a little bird right there. So yeah, anyways. And then there's a temple here too. So there's part of the temple. Oh, you got the I Ching and the Yin Yang symbols. Huh. That's also the symbol that they use for reflection of spirits. There's a name for it, which I can't recall at the moment. Got this beautiful thing, beautiful wall. I think it's all factories, and then this one is actually closed right now. Let me just show you. Huh. Actually, this has some characters. I think it's Chinese characters or something inscripted inside of it. Okay. So yeah, this temple is pretty well known, and usually it's open, but it's not open at the moment. And then this one, there's a little shrine in there. We'll just walk around on the side too. Oh, it's open on this side, so we can take a peek in here. Let's just take a look. So up there, it's like part of the Grande, Taipa Grande. Okay, let's just take a look here real quick. Okay. I don't want to bother anybody, so So, okay. So yeah, actually this whole area goes straight to Taipa village, and this goes to Taipa proper. So so you'll definitely, I walk down this all the time. And actually this is one of the first streets that really just wowed me when I first saw it, because it was kind of peaceful, relaxing, and it has these temples and things like that too, right? Huh. Don't know what that is, but there's a little Godzilla up there. Tyrannosaurus Rex. Pork chop bun art. Dragon. Piano. Rolling Stones. Image design. Sports shop. Got all kinds of cool stuff here. So yeah, you can see where the street would just kind of lull you right into it, right? And we're almost at the base of it. Got these beautiful, I call them banyan trees, but I don't think that's the right name. Huh. I think these used to be little police posts, I think. Japanese restaurant. Let's see, okay. Pork chop buns. I think this one is, I think it's a Sichuan, I think. All kinds of cool stuff here. It's pretty tasty. Another Portuguese. Manuel Cozinha is like a kitchen, Portuguese kitchen. Another Portuguese cuisine restaurant over there. It's kind of cool artwork. Spicy attic. Let's just see. So they got all this spicy, so peppers, more peppers. So this one is, I see people eating here late at night, and in the evening, of course, too. Okay. So let's try to cross. So we're gonna cross into this little plaza here. So this is basically the mouth of this. So let's just see if we can see here. This is for paying your parking. You can pay with a little Macau pass. So I did another video that I posted about the Macau pass. So you can pay for parking with that. So let's go to the mouth of this one right here. There's some places to sit. I think that this one is connected to this restaurant here. So okay, so we're gonna end this video right here, and basically let's just kind of show you. This is gonna be Kingsville right here, and then this is kind of the mouth of this whole river, of this whole street that goes all the way down. So okay, hope you enjoyed that one. There's a nice phone CTT thing. Okay, anyways, let's end that right there.